In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a drop-down list in Excel. This is a handy feature that can make your spreadsheets more interactive and easier to navigate, especially when it comes to data entry. So whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or just make your data more manageable, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, to access Excel Online, you'll need to visit the free Microsoft 365 online suite. This is a fantastic resource that allows you to use Microsoft Office products, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, directly in your web browser. Once you're on the Microsoft 365 homepage, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to sign up. Now that you're signed in, it's time to open up Excel. Look for Excel among the application options and click on it. For our purposes today, we're going to be working with an existing document named book4.xlx. Locate this file in your list of recent documents or wherever you've saved it on your OneDrive. Once you have your document open, identify the column where you want to insert the drop-down list. This could be any column where you wish to standardize the entries, for example, a column for status, with options like complete, in progress, and not started. Click on the column header to select the entire column. This ensures that every new entry in this column will have the drop-down menu available. With your column selected, your next step is to navigate to the Data tab on the ribbon, which is the toolbar at the top of the Excel window. Look for a button labeled Data Validation and click on it. This is where you'll define what data can be entered into your selected cells. In the Data Validation menu, you'll see a few options. Click on the one that says Allow to specify what type of data you want in the cells. A list of options will appear, but for creating a drop-down list, you'll want to select List. This tells Excel that you want to restrict data entry in this column to a specific list of items. Once you've selected List, you'll need to specify the source of the items for your drop-down menu. If you've already written out the list of items somewhere in your spreadsheet, great. If not, you might want to take a moment to type them in a spare column or somewhere else in the sheet where they won't be in the way. Once your list is ready, you can highlight it with your mouse. This tells Excel which data to use for the drop-down menu. Now here's an essential tip. If you're planning to add or remove items from your list in the future, consider placing this list on a separate sheet within your workbook. This way it's out of sight and won't be accidentally altered. Plus, it makes updating the drop-down selections super easy, as you only need to adjust the list in one place. After selecting your source, all that's left to do is apply your settings. Click on Apply in the Data Validation menu. Immediately you'll see the drop-down arrows appear in the cells of your selected column. Go ahead, click on one of those arrows. You'll see your list of items ready for selection. Congratulations, you've successfully created a drop-down list in Excel. To recap, you've learned how to navigate to Excel Online, open an existing workbook, select the appropriate column for your drop-down list, access the data validation settings, specify your list options, and finally apply it to your spreadsheet. This process enhances your spreadsheet's usability and ensures data consistency and accuracy, which is particularly useful in collaborative settings. Remember, the beauty of Excel lies in its flexibility and the wealth of features it offers to manage and present data effectively. Drop-down lists are just the tip of the iceberg, but mastering them is a significant step toward leveraging Excel's full potential. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Explore, experiment, and don't hesitate to dive deeper into what Excel can offer. Happy spreadsheeting!